Today we're showing you a 2014 New Holland T4.95 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just under 800 hours on it. Has a New Holland 655 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor also has a skid package. It's got a skid plate all the way under the tractor, and then also protection around the sides here. Also has tinted windows on the cab, mirrors on both sides of the cab. This machine is one of our budget-friendly tractors. It will sell as is, where is. There are absolutely no known mechanical issues with the machine. Mechanically, it's got a couple little things that could use some attention. A little bit of a couple chips in the hood here. Missing emblem there up front. Skid steer style hookup for your loader connection or your bucket connection. 6-foot bucket. It's got Galaxy radial tires on it. Those are good front and back. And again, you can see that protection package here as well. A little bit of damage here to the side panel. Damage to the top right rear of the roof there. Very minor damage, certainly does not affect the performance of the tractor. It's 540 PTO, telescopic 3-point arms, triple rear hydraulics. Show you the inside of the cab. It is nice and clean in here. It's got the air ride seat there for the operator. That seat does swivel. It's got the buddy seat here to the left. Tilt steering wheel, power shuttle transmission, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Loader control right there within easy reach. 12-speed transmission. You got 3 ranges in the short lever, 4 synchronized gears up top on the larger lever. It's got the hand throttle, 3-point controllers, hydraulic controllers, PTO, 4-wheel drive, all on the console. On the post there, you've got your climate controls, radio all the way to the top. It's got the sun visor and rear view mirror. Nice clean unit. Again, is going to be one of our budget-friendly tractors. Mechanically, there's absolutely no known issues. However, cosmetically, you got a couple of this and that's on it that could be repaired. So it's a good unit to potentially save some money on. Make somebody a pretty nice